Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Health for Millionaires, the channel where we explore the secrets to living your healthiest, wealthiest life. If you're struggling to drink enough water every day, you're not alone. But don't worry today. I've got 10 awesome hacks to help you stay hydrated and make drinking more water a breeze. Whether you're aiming for glowing skin, more energy, or just overall better health, these simple tips will get you drinking more water in no time. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Health for Millionaires family. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Start your day with water. First thing in the morning, before you check your phone or do anything else, drink a glass of water. It wakes up your body, boosts your metabolism, and gets you on the right track for the day. Keep a glass on your bedside table, so it's the first thing you grab when you wake up. Hack number 2. Make it a routine. Make drinking water part of your daily routine. Whether it's before meals or after exercise, setting reminders on your phone can help you stay on track. Routine is key to building a habit, and soon it'll be second nature. Hack number 3. Add flavor. If plain water feels too boring for you, try adding some natural flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint. Infused water not only tastes refreshing, but also gives your body a boost of antioxidants. Hack number 4. Use a water bottle with markers. Grab a water bottle that has time markers on it, so you can see how much you've drunk throughout the day. It'll motivate you to keep sipping and helps you track your progress. Hack number 5. Set water goals. Set daily water goals to stay accountable. Start with a goal that's realistic for you, like 8 glasses a day, and then work your way up as your body gets used to it. Remember, hydration needs vary, but a goal will keep you focused. Hack number 6. Drink water before you eat. Another great tip is to drink a glass of water before each meal. Not only does it help with digestion, but it can also prevent overeating, since water can help you feel fuller faster. Hack number 7. Keep water everywhere. Place water bottles everywhere you spend time, by your desk, in the car, on the coffee table, even in the bathroom. When water is easily accessible, you'll drink more without even thinking about it. Hack number 8. Drink water during your workout. Hydrate as you work out. Drinking water during exercise helps keep your performance up and prevents dehydration. Keep a bottle nearby and take sips between sets or whenever you're feeling thirsty. Hack number 9. Track your water intake. Use a hydration app or journal to track how much water you've consumed throughout the day. Some apps even give you gentle reminders, making it easy to stay on top of your hydration goals. Hack number 10. Make it fun. Lastly, make drinking water fun. Challenge a friend or family member to a hydration contest, or reward yourself when you hit your water goals. The more enjoyable it is, the more likely you are to stick with it. So, there you have it in simple hacks to drink more water every day and keep your body happy and hydrated. I hope these tips help you stay on track with your hydration goals. If you found these hacks useful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below letting me know which hack you'll try first. Don't forget to subscribe to Health for Millionaires for more health tips and tricks. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.